Hello everyone, it is Walt, and today we are starting a new series on a pretty interesting topic, of course. This one being really 7 ways to instantly attract wealth. Or rather, it's, instantly attracting wealth in 7 steps here. You guys get the picture because, some wealth stuff, because we all could use some more money amidst our various adventures, and it's good to have the mindset there because that's one of the biggest keys to being successful versus not, because of the power of the subconscious mind. But as you guys probably know, I've written tons of books on this kind of material, and yeah, I'll link up some stuff with the video here to show you some of my good Amazon material if you guys want to read some of my work there. Otherwise, here's some free content, of course, on this kind of stuff. So, Instantly Attracting Wealth, a series that I'm also going to link up if you guys want to check out the original article. But yes, so when it comes to instantly attracting wealth in 7 steps, what is this all about, right? What are the 7 steps? Well, we got step 1 here, okay, which is to believe you are worthy of happiness. Now, this one may sound simple, but it's not always simple, because our societies really program us to feel unhappy and to feel unworthy, because basically we think we're I want to explain it like this because it's something I only kind of recently discovered some of how pervasive this attitude is with people. One of the main reasons it's so pervasive and so deadly is because we're taught in a system basically where if we get anything wrong, it's all wrong. So imagine you were to get 99% of something right on a question or a test, anything like that, okay? If you get 99% right, then you have 99% right, and you've got 1% wrong. We're graded really in a system where they take that and they go along with, just taking that score and saying, okay, 1% wrong, it's all wrong. And we're really raised with this attitude, you see, because people don't tend to tell us what we do well. They give us red ink for all the things we do wrong. So the mind doesn't really know how to say percentage kind of stuff super well all the time. I mean, we understand statistics logically, but the subconscious mind, when somebody says, give somebody a paper to peer review or whatnot, then the person gives it back to them with the criticism of the 1% they did wrong. The subconscious mind is basically hit with the idea of wrong. And so something you may get 99% right, we don't feel rewarded for all the things we did right because nobody told us all those things. They just told us all the things we did wrong. So we're really raised in a system that does this punishment thing, and so it's pretty easy to feel unworthy of being happy. But the truth is, being happy is really, it should be your right here. It's something that we should all have the power to create within our own lives, because happiness is like the best thing. If you're not happy, then what's the point of so many different things in life? And I would say that's the key here, is really to just say, I am worthy of being happy. And when it comes to making money, it's necessary to have this. Otherwise, your subconscious mind is going to sabotage you. So you can go through the exercise of just saying, I am worthy of happiness. And really, that's one of the biggest steps here, is just to go about saying, you know what? I am worthy of happiness. Anyway, that's about it for this first part here. I am Walt. Check out some of my Amazon stuff if you guys want to do that. Always, of course, appreciate it if you could like, subscribe, share these kind of videos, help out some other people if you're a fan of the content. Otherwise, I'll see you guys next time with our next video. So, stay tuned. I'll see you then.